barrel on the ball, the hands have to do one thing. The hands have to do one thing. So you get above the ball. You hit the barrel down here, the ball, the hands have to be up here. So what we tell players right away, lead with the knob. Pick the knob up. The other knob goes up, it's a vision. Now, if I said, hey, bring the knob down, you see this, right? Let's say, if he said, hey, bring the knob down, you see this. That's about my hands. Bring the knob up. Notice how now I can go tilt. This is called tilt. And that tilt is adjustable. We never level the stroke. And the only place to level the stroke is when it's on top of swing. On that, that's going down, 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 down. My hands don't go down like this. I don't see the level down here. I have what's called a swing arm. Swing arm. So lead up with the hands. So if I put my hand with all of these, go back to the stride. Go back to all. Notice how I want to leave that knob up here. I want to leave that knob up here. So he swings down his hands. This is throwing. This is back throw. After his back throw, what happens? His hands take off from the back. Because that's finished. Swing back. So you shall leave the knob a little bit. Remember, leave the knob doesn't mean this. Down. Leave the knob goes up. As my body turns, everything comes up. Leave the knob up.